Hi friends, this is my Model 2. This is crazy truck. Let's see how does it work. Wow! How is this working? Let us see how will it go straight. It's coming back. Slow speed. It's like a remote control car only. It's not remote control.